Now, wow, Italian man don carry coronavirus enter Nigeria. Meanwhile, as I dey tok to una so, the Uber driver wey go pick this Italian man up from airport, this Uber driver don cry come out say e come in contact with this Italian man, which means there is a possibility say this Uber driver fit contact this coronavirus also. Earlier the better, I believe say dem really need to carry this man to go do test. Na this one be the wahala wey dey when you dey work with public, especially when you are a cab driver, when you work in a supermarket, when you work in a nightclub, when you work in a restaurant and many other public place. Many of those people wey dey work in public place this time around, many is at risk. Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Abeg, if today na your first time to watch or listen to my video, make you not forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press notification bell in case anytime I just dey drop breaking news here, you go always dey aware. So my fellow Nigeria, the matter wey dey ground be say, hey, kasala don burst, yawa don gas. Everywhere don red for our country. We pray make e no red by special grace of God. This coronavirus wey we all dey talk about for the past how many days now, dey tell everybody say make everybody really dey very very careful. Make everybody try to dey to dey keep long distance away from anybody, or if you touch something, make you try to wash your hand, follow the right procedures. Today now, they say Italian man wey travel go Nigeria, e carry coronavirus follow body, land gboga for Lagos State Airport. Meanwhile, they say before this man comot for Italy, they test this man, e show negative. But by getting to Nigeria, when they come test this man, e be like say na airport they say they take test am. I no gree know. E come show positive. Meanwhile, una know say anybody wey come in contact with person wey get coronavirus, there is high percentage that other person go still contact am. Okay, number one, starting from the people wey dey for inside flight with this Italian man. Where are those people today? Those people no know say the person wey dem sit down with for inside flight, dem no know say this man get am. If na man sit down with am, if na woman sit down with am, even una know say when you dey for inside flight, everybody dey breathe. Everybody dey breathe in and out. It's just like when you are inside a cab or inside car, right? Either na taxi or na this thing, your private car. Once una don make one or two inside, you all breathe in and breathe out. What about the people wey dey inside this flight with this man? That one come comot for there. Make una see how this thing take dey spread so fast. Even at the end of the day, despite they say make people dey use hand gloves, all this medical stuff. I even talk about this matter a few days ago, how una go still try to dey use disinfectants, hand gel, even this the toy, get am, anything wey get to do with all this medical stuff for safety, make una get am for house. Okay, person buy am put for house now. You dey work for public place, right? You come across people wey get am. Maybe you dey sell for supermarket now. Your customer need to pay you money. Your customer need to come close to you. If you be cab driver also, the person wey you carry wey you wan go drop for where he or she dey go, e go follow you there for the same car. Meanwhile this Italian man now we will even dey talk now sef, e get one Nigerian man for Lagos there, e come and say he come in contact with this Italian man say na him be the Uber driver where he carry this Italian man go drop, whether na hotel or na airport o, the people come take get to know say this man get coronavirus, or this man fall sick for the hotel where he dey, na they quickly rush am go there. You understand? Before they come detect say this man get coronavirus. Meanwhile they still say they carry this man go isolated area o. The ambulance wey they say e carry this man as I am talking to you, on the very day which was on the 27th or so, wey they say they detect this man, they say the environment they really protect am well. The ambulance man wey wan go put am for the isolated place where they go take dey take care of am, they say they really protect that ambulance man. You understand? So this man wey say he na Uber driver wey say he come in contact with this man, na the same car he with this Italian man dem gather there. They both breathe in and breathe out. Now no, when you dey for inside car, as I first talk before, all the glass go roll up. There is no way where fresh air go really take enter. Maybe if you want even say you want your glass of car go down, now only small. The customer go pay you cash. There are sometimes some customers they want come down for motor, they go even give you handshake because you drop them safety to where they are going to. You understand? So now I believe that it is time for every country, every state, make them hard fast about this coronavirus before it go start to dey kpai so many people. For abroad where we all dey here, so imagine if you fit enter Italy, footballer, one Nigerian Italian footballer, he don contact am now for Italy. If I see read am for this thing for inside Facebook here now say either Pope or some either, yes, I think say na Pope. They say after he go meet the people where he get this disease, he go meet them to pray for them. You know, after the next day, Pope come dey sick. You understand? Now we pray maybe say make God make e no let that kind thing reach where Pope dey at all. Even other people also make e no get close to any innocent people, because this coronavirus na China e take germinate come. I no come gree know wetin come concern other people. For the fact say yes, many people go in and out of China, but at least wetin person no know about, e no be say person come dey sick about that contagious disease. Thank God say okay, Nigeria no dey joke with this kind of thing. We all know say hey, Nigeria nobody wey wan kpai for wetin no know about o. For the fact say if this sickness really wan spread, I know say all those health organization people, all those top leader, they no go gree. People wey dey work for a big sector abi all those health place, even Buhari himself, they go bring money come out by force make dem take make sure say they prevent this thing to come into Nigeria. Na only that one be the chance wey be say hey, either good or bad, for the fact say that country where me and you from come say na the poor people, the less privileged people, na dey suffer and pass. But when it come to something like this, I don't know, make una see put una own comment for me. Na my own opinion just dey give una so. When it comes to something like this, All those top people, those big men, billionaire dem, health organization people dem, they go always want to act fast to protect other people around, if not for even because of the poor or the less privileged one, but for the sake of all those top men wey dey for that Nigeria society, Nigeria as a country. They go definitely look for one way or the other to stop such a thing. The other time Ebola come, Nigeria tackle am. For this one, so much get 100% say Nigeria go always try. Nigeria, they must try by fire by force, because none of them wan make dem kpai. If dem say make dem neglect am, say e no concern dem, if all those poor ones, the less privileged people, end up coming in contact with such people wey get this coronavirus, as e take affect the poor, e go still affect the rich people also. Trust me. So because of that, the rich, the top people will always take action. But at the same time, make we all dey pray against this thing. We really need to pray, because the way we take dey spread so fast, e don dey be like say this hand sanitizer, keep a long distance away from people that have it. E be like say this one no go even do again o. E need more action. They need to bring money out so that they go give am to people wey dey produce all this vaccine, all these medical people. Now I forget wetin dem dey call them. Those people wey dey do medicine, make dem start to dey work on this thing before e go nearly finish half of people. Before you know it, don spread so fast, and people wey be say dey very more at risk. People wey dey travel every day with flight, people wey dey sell for supermarket, people wey dey for this thing, wey dey work for nightclub, for restaurant, bar, people wey dey work with public transport, people wey still dey go school also. You wey dey house wey no dey too much dey go in and out, okay fine, you go fit still dey safe because no dey go along with crowd where crowd always dey. But most times people wey get to do with crowd, if na place of work you dey, taking bus and all, you see say this thing, without dem no act fast, before you know it, e go dey very very e go dey very rampant. And the worst part of it, they say when you just cough like this, you sneeze, you touch who get am, in fact, before you know it, you will just get close to them. 1 2, e don enter that person body. I never see this kind of contagious and deadly disease like this. So far so good. Now only flu person dey hear ever since, say flu, go take vaccine of flu. But this one wey just dey, we never get break. If you no comot for road, you go just hit that person. Once you come in contact with them, breathe the same air with them, na one chance you enter. Everywhere don dey change because of this coronavirus. May God help his children. Na only God we all just need to dey call for this time. Even before now, I know that we so much believe in God, but now we must try harder to pray for God intervention, for God to save his children, for God to wipe away this contagious disease away, coronavirus. Innocent people just dey fall a victim. Na so the something dey spread rapidly. Before you know it, don dey spread. This is so kind of heartbroken. It is so heartbroken. And some people dey go even get am, they no go know say they get am, they go gather sleep the same under the same roof with their family. Why wetin na? This one na wahala, my people. Abeg, make we dey careful, make we still continue to dey use this hand gel disinfectants, please. And also, whatever thing you want to do, if you can stay a little bit yards away from people as they talk am, make we all still try. But trust me, if you dey work as a transporter, you dey sell for supermarket, as I first mention am before, e go dey very hard without you no go come in contact with people. It's so very painful. But may God take absolute control. May God help his children. I believe say with time, it go definitely stop, because there is nothing that goes up wey you no go see come down. It's just a matter of a time and a prayer. Before we go see know now, the vaccine go come out, the treatment go come out, but people wey don contact am now, how they go fit take prevent them away from it without this thing no go kpai dem? Abi medicine don dey now wey dem still take dey use dey test all those patients wey get am before dem come finally bring which a particular one has say okay, na this one be the medicine for it. And funny enough, as this coronavirus just come out, so before you know it now, you no go even hear am again. E go just still die down. Anything that get to do with it, you no go hear am, and you no go even think of maybe taking the medication for it or taking the vaccine for it. This kind contagious disease, e come from place of nowhere. If dem dey tell all those people where dey carry am dey waka, make dem dey careful about wetin dem dey chop, they no go hear, because there is nothing wey they cannot eat. No gbogbo they go chop rat, they go chop bat. They say na true bat they take carry am come now. You go see some kind insect wey dem dey chop. You wey dey even dey see am sef, you go just tire. Please, God, come and help your children. Please, Baba God, we dey beg you, Baba God. You never let your children down, and we know that you would definitely make all these things to go away. You will sweep it away. Please, people out there, let us keep praying. We all know that God will do it. There is a solution. There is nothing without solution. With this one, there must be a solution. So, thank you very much, my people. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribe, press the bell sign, and share this video to your friend. Put your comment, and also press the like button. Thank you. See you in my next video.